Assalamualaikum to lecturer. Through this video, our group will explain about the task that given to us. From the task, we decide to do a contact lens sanitizer dispenser. Our group member is Muhammad Hafizi is me, Muhammad Fahmi, Muhammad Shakir, and Muhammad Farhan. From the problem statement that given, the customer requirement that we get is the product must help the frontliner to easier their work. The product also must be effective and easy to use more than the benchmarking product that we choose. The why we do this product is to help the frontliner can do their best to perform their work without worry about their surrounding. This product also has an easier way to refill than other product. To refill the hand sanitizer than other product. The introduction for this product is Malaysian government has taken various measures to prevent this virus. We all should be more carefully when we do outdoor activity due to the spread of COVID-19. Like you know that nowadays hand sanitizer become one important thing in our daily life. So the hand sanitizer is always sold out in a market or everywhere that said it. So uh, through this uh, through this product, it will help to uh, save and not waste the hand sanitizer. Thank you.
Alright, thank you for me. So my name is Muhammad Farhan Izzuddin bin Muhammad Jamil. So next we go to the benchmarking for this product. This is Opmis Plus automatic sanitizer dispenser from a well-known company, Octa. So let's look to the advantage for this product. First, it have a mobile control automatic sanitizer spray machine, and it looks premium. It is suitable for any place, and it consume less sanitizer, so we can save much sanitizer for this product. And the capacity of 1.0 liter sanitizer. This is the advantage for this product. Next we go to the disadvantage. First, it is difficult to move. It just stick on the wall, and it is not portable, and it also use a lot of electric current. So thank you. Next.
For the first design, the method use mechanical mechanism, which is using the pedal. When the user want to use it, they just have to step up the pedal with their feet, and the liquid will come out. The stand of this design have a very strong and stable structure, so if the user step on the pedal, it can prevent the sanitizer from collapsing. Design 2 shows that this design is using sensor mechanism, which is heat sensor. The sensor will be set to detect a certain temperature, which is between 35.5 degrees to 37.5 degrees, because that temperature is the average human body temperature. How the user want to use it? The solution is they have to reach out their hand to the detector so the heat can be detected. This design also has foldable stand, which can make it more stable and easier to move to everywhere.
Alright, so for the previous chart, we have put these three recommended design to determine the best decision for the final design. The result of the chart shows that design 2, which is heat sensor, has a highest net score, which 7 compared to other two design. This design also does not have negative score, which means design 2 has no shortcomings with exciting product. The advantage that is not in design 1 and design 3, but only in design 2 is it is compatible for any size, and it has less sticky liquid. Thank you.
Thank you to Muhammad Farhan. Now I will talk about the discussion. We will discuss about the design too. This design is the most suitable for the contactless hand sanitizer dispenser. The reason are because of some special abilities that have been installed in it. For example, the heat sensor. For this design, heat sensor has been installed in it. The heat sensor will detect the hand from the user, and it will dispense the liquid sanitizer. It can prevent the user from touching it when want to use it, and it can prevent the germ from keep spreading. And second part is the adjustable compartment. In this design, the compartment that hold the bottle sanitizer can be adjustable. The reason for this is commercialized hand sanitizer come with a various size of bottles. So to make the job easier, the adjustable bottle holder will be installed in this design. For the big bottle, the holder become the gap between the claw will be larger, and when the bottle are smaller, the gap will be smaller. And the spray type, and the last part is the spray type dispenser. This design will produce the sanitizer in a spray mode. This is because of sanitizer in spray mode have lower surface tension, when it will cause a rate of evaporation increase. Other than that, the sanitizer, when it's produced in spray mode, it can cover the large area of the hand in a short period. All of this will make user more comfortable when applying hand sanitizer while still keep germ from keep spreading. This design have advantages and disadvantages. For advantages, it can achieve the objective, which is to make the contactless hand sanitizer. And for the disadvantages, it will be improved in the future to make it more better. If this design will be fabricated in the future, we hope that this design can help the community to prevent germs from keep spreading in the world. That's all from us. Thank you.